Super Saiyan 6. Wow. How many great ape level transformations are there? Well, this ought to be new. Alright, all master designers and Dragon Ball super fans. Tonight we're going to be drawing a new form of the Great Ape and the Super Saiyan transformation. Well, what I meant to say was, tonight we're going to draw a Super Saiyan 6 Vegeta. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
All credit for this episode goes out to Unreal at Gaming. In this episode, we discover that there is a level over Super Saiyan 5. That transformation is called Super Saiyan 6. And who has ever achieved that level? None other than the Prince of all Saiyans, Vegeta. We have all known this for a really long time. Goku and Vegeta and Goku have been rivals ever since Dragon Ball Z Kai. And since then, they've been training to surpass each other and surpass the levels of the Saiyan race. I'll never forget all those times that Goku and Vegeta surpass each other and gain the levels of a god. It's just like that time at the Tournament of Power, when Vegeta managed to reach a transformation over Super Saiyan 2 and beyond Super Saiyan God. What I meant to say was he found a level over beyond Super Saiyan Blue. I call it Super Saiyan Royal Blue because of the epic rock cover remixes that editors have launched. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Alright. These are the muscles. As we saw in the manga, when Goku and Vegeta, after the defeat of Zycor, Goku and Vegeta managed to have one last fight before they retire of old age. Let's just consider that they both managed to reach the level of Super Saiyan 5. And in that moment, ever since that fight, they've managed to never stop evolving. And finally, Vegeta managed to surpass Goku once again for the first time in his life. He took on a form known as Super Saiyan 6. From what we've seen, it's a level beyond Super Saiyan 5. But unfortunately, he only caught a glimpse of it, and only used his form to defeat Goku once. The reason why it was only seen in one manga series is because Vegeta feared that he wouldn't be able to control it. Alexa, play Beyond the Limit.
Beyond the Limit from Dragon Ball Super by the Marcus Hedges Trend Orchestra on Amazon Music.
Just like that, Vegeta managed to beat Goku with Super Saiyan 6. When he first transformed, he had the fiery aura of a Super Saiyan God. And after he was beaten, when Goku finally realized Vegeta's strength, he shouted, "You win, Vegeta. I'm proud. Thanks for the match. You're really strong." Turns out, Vegeta didn't really lose control after the nice words Goku said to him. He was beaten with one strike. Turns out Super Saiyan 6 Vegeta can control his power. Never realized he'd get this far. Alexa, play Beyond the Limit by Android Orchestra.
Beyond the Limit by Android Orchestra on Amazon Music.
Anyway, I'm happy you all enjoyed this episode of Master Designs. That's how you draw a Super Saiyan 6 Vegeta. All credit goes out to Unreal at Gaming. Please like and rock and subscribe to this channel. And let me know which character from Dragon Ball AF or beyond Dragon Ball AF, beyond Dragon Ball Super, and more Unreal at Gaming episodes you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.